In this series, we will look at a few Microsoft Excel tips and tricks that can be incorporated in your daily work to increase productivity. In this video, we'll teach you how to generate a sequence of numbers. Whenever you want to generate a set of numbers which follow sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 2, 4, 5, 6 or any such consecutive numbers, Excel has a really good support to generate them at one go. You don't have to manually type in those numbers like 1, 2, 3, but type in the first two numbers of your sequence and then select the first two rows. Then on the bottom right corner of the second item, if you hover over your mouse, the icon changes to a plus icon. So Excel tells you by this that you can click on that in that place and drag your mouse and leave it to generate a sequence of numbers. So now, as you see, it automatically looked at first two numbers and generated the rest of the numbers in the sequence. This also works if with any number other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If your first number or if your sequence needs to start from 100, for example, you can type in 100, 101, do the same, select, and then drag your cursor. So in my example, if you notice, I purposefully added a space between the third number. So Excel also considers the space and then adds that between your sequence. So depending on your requirement, this makes your job really easy. Say you have a bunch of text and you're generating a sequence of numbers below that. So you can do that by double clicking, and it looks to the column right or left of it and sees that you have the data available in so and so columns. So that works with any number of rows that have data in them. So now if you go back and double click, the numbers are automatically generated for the rest of the rows. Now if you have some text in your sequence, Excel is really good in maintaining that as well. For example, if your sequence needs to contain number as the prefix, then type in number 1, number 2, do the same, select, and drag. Now Excel retains the prefix, that's number, and then populates the rest of the sequence numbers. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.